Before replacing expensive Ferrari parts, check these fuses first. Location. To access these fuses, remove cover 1 by loosening the 2 retaining screws. Welcome back to Car Fuse Tab. Here you'll find complete fuse box diagrams, relay locations, wiring diagrams, and troubleshooting guides for all types of vehicles. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. To access these fuses, remove the passenger footrest tube by unscrewing the 4 fastener screws. Fuses and relays on the center console. Fuses and relays in the engine compartment.